Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. Students, today we will solve the exercise of unit 5, that is computer programming. So here in this exercise we will solve the first question, that is fill in the blanks, then MCQs, and then some of the true, false and match columns are given. First of all, question number 1, fill in the blanks. The first fill in the blank is the process of designing and writing computer program is called computer programming. So this is the correct word, that is computer programming. A set of instructions is called a computer program. Third one, software is the term used to refer to one or more computer programs. When many small programs are combined together in a single module, that is called software. BASIC stands for Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Remember that whenever there is any abbreviation, you must have to memorize it. In the same way, fifth fill in the blank is HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is a web development language. Sixth fill in the blank is Fortran language was developed for scientific and engineering applications. Fortran is the acronym for formula translation. Okay, then the seventh fill in the blank is a constant is a fixed value that does not change during the execution of the program. Constant always remains the same, and it's a fixed value which cannot be changed during the execution of the program. The opposite of constant is variable. Variable is a value that can be changed during the execution of the program. Eighth fill in the blank is a syntax error occurs when grammatical rules of the language are not followed. Ninth, run command is used to execute the basic program. 10th fill in the blank is a program that contains the read statement must contain at least one data statement. So read and data statement, they occur or they are used together in a single program. Now question number 2, choose the correct answer. First MCQ is computer programs are known as option A computer language, option B software, option C hardware, option D networking. So the correct option is option B, that is software. Second MCQ is st.name and ends with the dollar sign is the string variable name. It's a valid string variable name. We know that any string variable in basic programming language ends with the dollar sign. Third MCQ is the backslash is used to indicate the integer division. Remember, there are two types of division symbols in basic we use. First one is forward slash, that is real division, and the backslash is used for integer division. We have already explained these two operators previously. The fourth MCQ is the expression 8 mod 4 plus 2 would return the value 2. That is the correct option, because whenever 8 is divided by 4, it gives you 0. Mod gives you the remainder. So 8 is divided by 4, the remainder is 0 plus 2, so the remaining answer is 2. Fifth MCQ is this operator greater than and less than is the not equal to operator. Whenever these operators used together, first one is greater than and then immediately less than operator is used, so it means not equal to operator in basic programming language. Sixth MCQ is basic is the all-purpose language. It's a all-purpose programming language. Seventh MCQ Which statement is used to accept values for variables during the program execution? So option C is the correct answer, that is input statement. Whenever we want to input the value of any variable at runtime, we use input statement in basic programming language. Now the statement at line number 10, it says print 22, then the integer division symbol and 7. Integer division operator returns only the integer part of the value, which results whenever we divide 22 by 7. So in reality it is 3.14, but as we are using the integer division symbol, so it will return only the integer part of the value, which is 3. So option B is the correct answer. If we use the real division symbol, which is a forward slash, so in that case option A will be the correct answer. Now ninth MCQs. If there are more variables in the read statement in a program than that of constants in the data statement, which error message will display? So of course it will display option C, that is out of data error, because we know that the number of variables in the read statement must be equal to the number of data elements given in the data statement, or the constant values given in the data statement. If there is any variable in the read statement for which there is no constant in the data statement, so in that case it will give us the error, that is out of data error. 10th MCQ is the fundamental decision making statement in BASIC is if then else statement, or simply we call it if then statement. If then statement is the fundamental decision making statement in basic programming language. Now true false. First statement is BASIC is easy for beginners to learn, that is true. Hardware is useless without software, that is also true, because if there is no software, the hardware is useless and it cannot perform any function. Syntax error occurs due to improper format, that is true. Format means syntax, or you can say the grammatical rules of the language. If they are not followed, it will give you the syntax error. HTML is a scientific language, that is false. It's not a scientific language. HTML is a web development language. The first character of variable name must be an alphabet, that is true. According to the rules for naming a variable, the first character of variable name must be an alphabet. Sixth statement, parentheses are used to change the priority order, that is true. Computer can detect the logical error, it's false. Computer cannot detect the logical error. Computer can only detect the syntax error. Eighth statement is F3 is used to load a program from the disk into memory, that is true. Variables are separated by semicolons in read statement, that is false. No, they are separated by commas. Read statement can be used without data statement, that is false. Both of these statements are used together, they are always used together in a program. Now the last question, that is question number 4, which is match the columns. The first one is F2. So according to the book, F2 is used for run command, but in QB64 IDE that we are using for programming here in these videos, the shortcut for running the program is F5. So this is for the old IDEs that F2 was used for running the program. Actually F5 is used in the current IDE for run command. Second, read is related to data. They both are used in the same program. HTML, web programming, related to B. Assignment operator it is related to the let statement. Whenever we are using let statement, we used to assign values to a variable. Fifth, modulus operator is related to mod operator, MOD, which gives you the remainder. So this was the exercise of unit 5, that is computer programming. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Computer Tuition Academy. Thanks a lot. Take care. Allah Hafiz.